Okay, this is Ken. How old are you?
6.
Are you going to show people how to make a paper... What are you going to show people what to do?
Make a paper boat.
Paper boat, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's show them. Let's go.
So
Keep going, keep going. There it is.
Yeah.
Wow. That's amazing, Ken. You did it all by yourself.
Yeah.
Alright, we have to explain it to them now. Okay?
Yeah.
Alright, can you come here?
Don't want to let me. Don't be shy.
Can you tape?
Yep.
Alright, so let's explain it to them. Alright, so look. Fold it down like this.
Yeah.
And make sure the edges are even.
Even, and then fold it this way.
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm gonna zoom in.
And then open it up.
Yeah.
Fold it here.
Wait, no.
Wait, what?
You have to be. Oh.
Like that, right?
Yeah.
Fold it this way, right?
Yeah.
And then fold it this way.
Yeah. That's mine.
And then fold this up here.
Yeah.
Do that on both sides. Jet, come on. And then this way. Then you gotta flip it around, right? Do the other side, right?
Yeah.
Then this side.
Yeah.
And then you fold this up, right?
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
You flip it around, you do the same on the other side.
Yeah.
Then after that, you open it up, right? Like this.
Yeah.
And you fold it up here, right?
Yeah.
You went a little too
And the
fast.
other side. Do the same thing.
Alright, then flip it this way. And flip it up this way.
Yeah.
And then you open it like this. And then you open it, you fold this up.
Yeah. No.
Wait, what?
And you have to do it right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
Up? Like that?
Yeah.
And then what?
This.
And then like this, right? Then that's it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like that.
Yeah, that's easy. Why do I hope I get so fun?
Alright.
Say thanks, Ken.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Stop it. Too fun.